In developing countries across the world, women produce 80% of all food. They farm it, cook it, preserve it, and sell it. But when it comes to income, ownership, or recognition, they're almost invisible. Our food economy is on the brink of explosive growth. Packaged food markets is set to nearly double, and so is the snack market. But hundreds of thousands of rural women who form the backbone of India's traditional snack market are not going to see this benefit, unless we break the very barriers that restrict them. Did you know that most of these rural women foodpreneurs are unable to sell their products beyond a 2-kilometer radius? They have the same 25 customers, friends, relatives, and neighbors. The same modest earnings, often less than 4,000 rupees a month, and the same unfulfilled potential. They lack visibility and access to markets, quality standardization, and the essential business tools needed to scale beyond their neighborhoods. On the other hand, the demand is rising. Indians spend nearly 10% of their monthly expense on beverages and processed foods. Rural FMCG markets are outpacing urban growth by nearly 2 times. Imagine if India's women, the custodians of our food heritage, could stake a claim in this growth. Enter the Delta Prize Aahar Bazaar Challenge, powered by State Street. We're looking for commercially viable tech solutions that can bridge the gap between hungry markets and women foodpreneurs. Can your solution help these women-led enterprises attain market visibility and access to expand beyond their neighborhoods? High-quality, market-ready products and streamlined business operations. In the Aahar Bazaar Challenge, each competing organization must demonstrate real market access and measurable economic growth for 3,000 women foodpreneurs across 18 months. But this is just the beginning. When these women succeed, entire communities succeed with them. What's in it for you? Win from a 5.25 crore prize purse. Get opportunities to pilot your solutions. Get on-ground implementation support. Gain access to investment and capital support. Grow with hands-on mentoring. Join us in the mission to strengthen local women-led economies. Her recipe, your tech, one massive opportunity. Apply now to the Aahar Bazaar Challenge.